Yo, what's good, man? It's Omeo. I'm about to kick a little freestyle off my shit. It's kind of fucked up, but if you like this, you definitely gonna like my work. So you can find Dreams in my closet at datpiff.com. Got the T for trustees, look out for that. But let's just get into it, yo. Check it out. Used to watch the cooler dudes get fresh and beautiful, but now shit changed. I'm breaking the hula hoop like musicals. You can't stand what the fluid do to you. When I go in shit and mixed in with pissing too. Niggas be bitches too, losing their vision too, putting you at the bottom if it's beneficial you. That's why I stay growing like a nigga got roots. Fuck your hand telling my notepad is rocky too. Got my eyes on the ball like an alley-oop. Battle who my family shoot. You niggas will probably poop. So either way, I'ma win. This a got me cool. Got me bopping, I'm popping. You niggas are kinda cool. So come and rendezvous. Play some Russian roulette. With 2 roulettes left, come and gamble with your death. Cause I'm complex like buildings that connect. Plus I'm on next, so I'm practicing on deck. A king in the flesh, give life with every breath. Niggas just be mad. Game of life, got a bench. Got a right to be upset. Cause you in success seem like you motherfuckers just don't mesh. Like I said, man, it's Omeo. You can follow me on Twitter. Just if you like this, you gonna like my work. This is some light shit, man. You already know. Like, holla at me. Peace.